on fire, building dreams, my only desire. 100 apps, one indie soul. Freedom's the mission, code's my role. Lo-fi night screens, my friend. Push till crash, repeat again. Every bug a scar to show. Every line, my stories glow. Swift in veins, no 9 to 5. Chasing peace, just staying alive. Vegas fade, the dream stays loud. So dead, but I'm damn proud. Yeah. Cold and coffee, eyes on fire, building dreams, my only desire. 100 apps, one indie soul. Freedom's the mission, code's my role. Lo-fi night screens, my friend. Push till crash, repeat again. Every bug a scar to show. Every line, my stories glow. Swift in veins, no 9 to 5. Chasing peace, just staying alive. Vegas fade, the dream stays loud. So dead, but I'm damn proud. Yeah. Cold and coffee, eyes on fire, building dreams, my only desire. 100 apps, one indie soul. Freedom's the mission, code's my role. Lo-fi night screens, my friend. Push till crash, repeat again. Every bug a scar to show. Every line, my stories glow. Swift in veins, no 9 to 5. Chasing peace, just stay.
Hello. Let's start with, why is my camera not working for some reason? Just give me a sec. Okay, it's back. Perfect. Why is this button too much visible? Hey, hi guys. People are here now. Who is here? Karthik. Hi Karthik. How are you doing? Shubham, how are you, bro? Just watched Ford versus Ferrari with father. Oh, it's a very good movie. One of my favorites. Christian Bale. So yeah, today let's work. Like today I have worked a lot on this, the VFX app which I'm working on. Do you want to see a quick demo of it? Wait, I think my screen is again doing the screen thing. Yeah, I don't know. Like I have updated the OBS as well. It's still doing this stupid shit. So this is the main page for the app right here. Hey Dhruv, welcome. World of Varun. Today my mind is fucked up. I'm waiting for your live to come out from it. Hey Varun, what happened, man? How are things? Today I have to show like the demo of the VFX app. This is like almost done. Almost means like I would say around 99% done. Tomorrow I have to just make some screenshots and I'll be publishing it, like sending it for Apple to approve it. Like I've done everything. Like onboarding is done. I just have to make the payment screen, like the design of it, and yeah, other than that it's all done. So as you can see, as you open the app, I'm showing what the app can do, like smoothly transitioning between multiple shots. Even today I made a reel on Instagram. I use my app to make that. How are you? I'm good, Karthik. How are you, man? Surit, hey. So okay, so we'll go inside the app. I hope you guys can see my screen. Let's go. I'm pretty happy with how the onboarding has been created. So as you can see, in the first part, I'm showing you what is like, there is a smooth transition. You give like 2 images and it will smoothly transition between 2 images. And then there is a swing. So swings are like this, swing transitions inside the app. Then there is a morph where it morphs from one clip to another. And then there is a skew where it's a skew transition happening. I might need to change the padding on this text, taking too much width. Okay. Then there is a small Q&A, so the users would know, like, the to make the onboarding a little bit more engaging. So what kind of creator you are? Let's say I'm a content creator. What is your style? So mine is, let's say, emotional. And then also I've added a haptic feedback in this stage. Once the progress bar is loading, the phone like vibrates a little bit to give it like a something crazy is happening. And once it is done, then there is this screen which will politely ask users to give rating. If they press on this, they will see this native dialog. They can give a rating and then they can continue. We're not. This page I have to redesign. This is not done yet. But yeah, here it is, like VFX, your projects which you have done. And then there is settings, which I'm using the same settings page. Now, the fun part is I'll show you that first, like, also, I'm not giving any credits to the users in this app. Like, they will have 0 credit until they pay, because I'm using a very expensive model for this, and it will cost me a lot if I start giving it for free. So let me just add some credits. Let's say, okay, let's add 5,000 credits. Done. So this user has credits now. Screen is again, wait. Also, let me just play some music before I go into the demoing phase. Where is the freaking browser? Okay, epidemic. Why is the chat so silent today? What happened, guys? Is my internet working? Or you guys are just chilling today? Lo-fi chill. Playlist. Lo-fi essential beats. Yeah, let's play too much noise. I think this is fine. Okay. Varun is my second account. We understood, Varun. We understood with the name. On which app you are working? I missed last 2 lives. Yeah, music. Yeah, music is back here. So yeah, this is the app. This is a VFX app which I'm working on. A smooth swing morph skew. I'll show you what it can do. So for this, let's say we take out some random images. Okay, random. Okay, not this random. Batman movie shorts. Okay, so we'll use this Batman movie shorts. I don't know if we will get copyright for this or not, but yeah. But let's say, oh, this is a very cool shot, so we'll use this one. Save image. And another one would be where we want to morph the user into is let's say this one, which not this one, or maybe this is also cool. Also colors are matching. We can pick anyone, but I'm just taking any random shot. Okay, now we will pick it up. Wait, I will move them to coding. Let's say here, move item here. So this WebP needs to be converted to JPEG. Large. Move to trash. Okay, and we will give it to this. Both these images will be added into this one. Okay. Now what we will do is, let's say we want to do a morph between these two images. Pick one. So, oh shit, we can't use the I completely forgot. We can't use the images in the app. We have to give a video so that it picks up which frame, the last frame to first frame. Yeah, it can't do with the images. My bad. I forgot. So what videos I can give it? Let me find some good clips which I have in my phone. So I have some content clips. I can use this, or I can use this one. This is good. Just airdrop it to my Mac. What's happening? Dhruv. Swarit, today I'm cooked. Today is my last day of vacation and my board time table is out on same day and my syllabus is even not covered, 40% still left. Oh man, this gives me the old nostalgia of giving papers, boards and all. I mean, it's been so long. But yeah, all the best, man. I hope things go well. Let me just find another clip. Okay, so these are completely two random clips which I have picked. Now let's say, so first is this one. Wait, just don't play the music. So this is a random video which I have. Okay, I'll use this, and then there is one where I'm just chilling near the lake, the Sindhu lake in Leh, and I want to transform me from this first video to the second video. I can use the view, so let's pick this frame and then pick this one, and we will do continue. Now start generation. View history. This will take some time, maybe like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. By the way, we got like one subscriber for AI short today from Argentina, and they like exhausted all the credits in just one single day for the whole week. Okay. Hey Shivam, what's up? Hi, how are you? Swarit, are you using physical iPhone for emulation? No, this is I'm using emulator. So let's see. We use morph. Like most, I hope the animation is smooth. It was not that great, but it's still. I like the how the fog coming in and then the bike came out, but I don't know why it made a ponytail in the end on my face. So this is one of the animation which is morph, and then we can also do the swing one. Let's see how the swing is done. Let's see the swing animation. While doing this demo, I think I need a name here, like which kind of animation we are doing. Currently I did a morph here, so I could just say morph. So I remember like this animation I have already done. But yeah, not in the first version. Maybe in the second update I'll give that. Swarit, did you take my friend request on Discord? Swarit, what was your username? I don't know. So this is swing. Let's see what the swing did. I like this. I can really use this somewhere. It's cool. And then we can also try the smooth one. Dhruv, which platform you have connected to collect payment? Dhruv, in iOS, they already have their own payment method, which is like I'm using Revenue Cat as an SDK, but Apple has their own payment method. We cannot use anything else. So I'm using like the Apple payment in the app for payments. But for my web app, I use Lemon Squeezy. Sanchit, TechLoker. Oh, I think you have changed the name, Sanchit. Yesterday it was just TechLoker, right? Yesterday I was using the comment browser, then one thing came in mind. Let's clean up the mail, and I gave the access of mail, and the comment started his work deleting the mail according to the prompt. Which model are you using? I'm using a pretty expensive model. It's something similar to VO3. So I'm using two models here. One is VO3 and another is Helio. So depending on currently the one where I'm testing, it's Halo. Sanchit, but I am now very worried it was my main account. Sanchit, I would never do that, man. Never ever do that. So this is the smooth transition. Oh, I like the smooth transition. Wow. It's really smooth. And now the final transition, which is skew. Let's try the skew. Varun, did you try Cursor Composer? Yeah, Varun, if you see yesterday's stream, I like gave my feedback on it as well. And I've been trying it today. Like the whole day I was using the agentic view from Cursor, and I've tried Composer 2. I have tried Claude Sonnet, Haiku, Composer 1. These are like my main models which these days I'm trying mostly. So after demoing this app, I'm thinking to give an update for it, like to myself. Any solution? There is no solution. Now they have all the data which they needed, but don't do that more often, you know. Okay, so this is the skew. This doesn't look too good, to be honest. So the skew prompt might need some refinement. Skew prompt is dynamic perspective. Okay. This looks like the default transition which generally devices do have. So maybe which one I liked most? No, this one I didn't like. This one I liked, so I can save this. And then there was another one, this I guess. Yeah, even this was okay. Now I want to send these to myself. Is there a way? Export on my phone. Wait. Shit. Is it possible? Can we export video from emulator to Mac. So you can, if you generated recorded video using app, locate Xcode MRR emulator data folder. It look like this. Navigate to device ID data container. Too big of a task. But yeah, let's see. Okay, I have a ton of emulators here. Date modified today. So we have data. Where did it say? Device ID data containers. Containers, data. Then there is application. Freaking hell, there's like hundreds of things. Each subfolder here corresponds to one installed app. Inside your apps folder, open documents or temp. It has like hundreds of folders inside it. Wait. Today at 9:54. Data. Temp. This is a task in itself to find the videos. From tomorrow, I will not be able to come to the streams. Hey, Blinken, how are you, man? Matt for clip, how much it cost? What you mean, the app right now, which I'm showing? It's not launched. I'm publishing it today. Like today, I will be sending it to review on App Store. But the plans are like $9 a week or $50 a year. I'm not adding a monthly plan as of now because I just want to test first. But there is a system which I have given inside the app where you can buy the credits if you want to use it more. So like, because you guys are here, I would tell you like the best deal is buy the yearly plan and then you keep buying the credits, which is the cheapest option for a user compared to the weekly plan. Weekly plan is helpful for me because it will be like a recurring weekly revenue for me. So I want to optimize for that to make more revenue. But for a user's point of view, I think the yearly plan makes more sense because there they can use it much better. Blinken, hey, hi Blinken, welcome to the stream. Not come to the stream, please don't forget me. My exam will over on 18th March and I will come on 18th March. All the best for your exams, man. 18th of March, wow. So you are gone from like October to March. What's your name? Swarit. Okay, I'll remember you, Swarit. And yeah, all the best once again. Sanchit, do you ever tried the e-commerce? No. Matt for clip. Last week I quit my job and trying to do freelancing. What do you think should I learn today? Depends on what currently you're doing. Like, I don't know about you. What are you into? Development, coding, front end, back end, full stack, or any other domain? Sanchit, why you didn't use the DeepSeek? I have used DeepSeek. It's just that it's not that capable compared to the other models. Code with Yugi. Hi, Yugi. Long time. My teacher for which game did we play? Minecraft. Swarit. Shubham. Okay, I'm back and I can yap now. Blinken, happy Halloween. Do you guys do that in India? Hey, happy Halloween, Blinken. We do not celebrate it officially, but it's a thing now. Because of social media, it's became a part of culture. So there are societies which do celebrate. I'm pretty sure there will be some celebration going on in my society. Like kids will be dressed up and all. Shubham, finished up 12 hours of good work today. 12 hours of good work? What? Crazy. Varun Sanchit, you're not giving chocolate to me, Blinken. Hourly plan. Yeah, I want to add hourly plan if Apple allows it. I do love some candy. I will be sitting outside later handing candy to kids. That's such a cool, like, my knowledge about Halloween is from all the Hollywood movies and the TV series I have seen. I've never celebrated it myself, but I like it so much. It's such a fun fun festival. Dress up as like a scary character and get candies. Shubham, see, here for Halloween, we just eat pumpkin pie and look at the red screen full of errors. Yugi, God bless you, my good student. My chest comes out when you improve skills in Minecraft. That is the, I think that was the last day I played Minecraft. I don't know when I'll play next. Matt Foglu asking about using model costs that you're using. Oh, model cost, the video generation model which I'm using. It's costing me somewhere around, one clip is around 50 cents. 50 cents. So I've created these 4 images. That this would have costed me somewhere around more than $1. So it's approximately half cent. Half a dollar, sorry, not half cent, half a dollar. So it was somewhere around $1.4. Sorry, I also know Minecraft, but I quit it because my favorite server is shut down. That days was my best days. Okay, Divyanshu, let's play the finals. Which finals? What's happening? If it's about sports, I'm not into sports, guys. Like, I don't watch sports, I play sports. Blinken doesn't have to be scary. My 8-year-old is dressed as Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Yeah, my friend, he's in Estonia. I think he's also going in some party. He shared his dressed up picture. He's a vampire for today. He looks like a vampire too. Yu-Gi-Oh message was revoked. Okay, so I'll get back to work. So this is what I wanted to show in the app, right? So there is this demo screen which is done. I just want to add this model, but it's fine. So what I can do is yarn run bump patch npx export prebuild and remove this change. Commit. Now let's open the Xcode with AI transition. Let's make the app product archive. Now this will make my system slow, and I'm pretty sure OBS will suffer from it the most. Let's see. The game is called The Finals. Oh, what is this game? This looks good. Like, is it in Steam? Oh, it's on Steam. Meanwhile, my app is building. Let's put it on the other screen. Let's see what this finals is about. Oh, it's free to play, but only on Windows. Sorry, I can't play this game. But looks good. I like these kind of games. If it's a multiplayer, I'm pretty sure this would be multiplayer. Is it multiplayer? Where they show somewhere here? PvP, online co-op. Nice. But only on Windows. Maybe I can play it via my Steam Deck. But yeah, if it's free, I can download it on a Steam Deck and see if it's working fine in there. Even I can connect my mouse and all with the Steam Deck. Can. Let's see. Not now. Also, one interesting thing which I heard recently is someone on Twitter mentioned that they have written a React Native and Godot library, like where the Godot framework we can use on React Native. So this will open up a lot of opportunities for new apps. So what we can do is we can just package a Godot game directly in my React Native app, and I can give a gamified version of my apps. Like, my app will look like this. Let's say this is my app, and there is an option here on the 4th button which would be like play, and when you click on it, so there is a playing option of my app, which will be like a small game, maybe like talk to AI or chatting with AI or entering an area. This is what I was thinking. Like this will open up a little bit of a possibility for me to make things with the Godot game engine. I've tried making a game with Godot game engine like maybe 2 years back. It uses GD script, which is pretty fun. It's similar to how Python script is. Anybody is into gaming and wants to make game, I would highly recommend Godot. It's super fun to like make games with Godot compared to all the bloatwares of Unreal. Like Unreal Engine and Unity, those are like too bloated at this point. And for indies, I don't think those make any sense because of their own pricing model and all. I'm sorry guys, my build is still building. I'll wait for it. Okay, there is too much talk happening here. The gunplay too smooth. Perfect game for you. Lol. Oh my, is it even possible to send candy over these? Hold on. You need to add plan like this and Geo and Airtel. We have 49 rupees plan. We got 5 GB of internet. Mention unlimited. You also need to put something like this. Oh, this reminds me. Actually, I added like an unlimited plan on my AutoAI Reels. A lot of users do complain like it's not unlimited. And to be honest, like it's not unlimited. It's like you get a limit of 10 videos per day. And until you are in a plan, you always get 10 videos every day. But in the text, I have written unlimited, which is a little bit scammy, I would say. Like I want to update it. I don't want to show that unlimited anymore. I saw a lot of apps doing that, and I thought all of these apps are doing it, which is 100% they are not giving it unlimited. 100%, because unlimited you can't give in an AI app. Like people can generate thousands of videos. Wow, my OBS is struggling so hard while this build is happening. It's stopping the screen sharing every 2 seconds, and I've opened the restart capture button. I'm just pressing on it multiple times. What it is Feastables? What is a Feastable? Oh, Blinken, Feastable. Like we know, like Mr. Beast's company of chocolate or candy company or something. They did a pretty big promotion in India. Sanchit, please give the app free for us one day. We will use it and tell the bugs too. I would like to give for free or add credits for you guys if you want to try it out. So once it's released in iOS, if anyone of you has iOS, ping me on Discord and I will give you some credits to play with it for sure. Oh, now we will make mobile games. Okay, the Mr. Beast candy. They are not here. I mean, they are button. What? I mean, 7. I like UI UX. Okay. Why is it take so long, man? I think this Tahoe is doing something on the background still because my system has become so slow these days. I can show you, like, you see this bar, it's showing 97% or 99% of CPU usage at this point, which never happened before. I have made multiple apps, compiled them, but this never went to 100%. Now it's running on 100% because I'm pretty sure there is some background job doing some background stuff. Just finish compiling, bro. Dhruv, how much time will it take now once you send it to review? Dhruv, technically, like the quickest review happens, like if they do not have any problem, which hardly happens, they always have a problem. It can be done in like 1 day. Like if I submit today and there is no problem, I have done everything right and they like it. Like it means like they did not find any issue. It will be reviewed by tomorrow. It will be live if I submit today. If they find a problem, then it will be a cycle. Like they will reply back tomorrow or tomorrow evening. Then I'll submit it again. Then it will be like 2-3 days cycle again. So it will be like a 2-day or 3-day cycle until I fix everything which they are asking me. And the one of the biggest problem with App Store review is they do not tell you all the problem at once. They will just find one problem, reject, send that problem. Then you submit again, fix it. Then they will find another problem, reject. Then you will have to fix that another problem. Anyone seen the Sora icon and ChatGPT icon is similar? Oh yeah, the bubble you mean, right? I think that's not a coincidence. I mean, because it's a ChatGPT product. Code with Yugi, what's your point of view of Project Alpha Arena? What is Project Alpha Arena? I don't even know about it. Matt for clip, what should be the system configuration to create this kind of apps? If you are creating an iOS app, I would say have a pretty good decent RAM and any processor above M1 would work. I have a MacBook Air, so the app works in there too, like the building process. It takes a lot of time though. It's not so smooth. Okay, we can close the AI transition thing today. All good on this. We'll move on to the other app. Oh shit, I opened 17 Pro. That's why I was working on Air earlier. AI cover songs. Let's get back to our song making app. Oops. Where is this terminal running? Running here. Let's stall it here. And I have to open the AI cover project 2 because we will be working on the next screen which we show after this. Okay, what's Sachit, can we install Linux on Mac? I mean, yeah, I tried running even Windows on Mac. It works, but not the best experience. Mac has a lot of limitations because it's their own hardware, right? So you're talking about Varun, check activity controller. Yeah, I checked activity controller. It's showing some processes which I'm not aware of, and even this Xcode is taking 99 or 100% sometimes. You see this one? So for now, OBS is taking 72% of CPU. Before Tahoe, this never happened, and that's why I think it's trying to hog a lot of CPU usage for some reason in this version of the new Mac, which I upgraded. Earlier, it never happened. Like it used to work smoothly. Maybe there's some process which is hidden from activity monitor, which we can't see. I don't know. Submit it at 3:30 or 4 a.m. You get in 4-5 hours. Oh, really? That's good advice, but I'll have to wake up at 3:30 a.m. But yeah, thank you, man. I didn't know that. Shubham, no, okay. Like, yeah, trading bot. I don't know, man. Varun Maya, I think, like, he's a good at marketing. But I don't know. No opinions. Blinken, I just checked for them and they are less than $3 or less than 300 rupees. Yes. Sorry, last month my cousin bring chocolates from US. I liked Hershey's bar. Okay. Once check the resource in Discord. What's there? Yeah, true. Yeah, I have seen this image on like when Sora was released, it was all over the Twitter. Even like we knew, right? This part we knew when it released. One fun thing about Sora was like they never intended to release it as an app, but because they have so good codecs working internally and they want to test its capabilities, so they have put some engineers on making apps with codecs. So the whole app is built with AI, the whole Sora app. Okay, so currently we are showing this screen, the home screen, which we should not, because I already have a full screen already created somewhere. I'll just have to find it on my old code base. And the thing is, I'm not using my old code base here is because I have changed a lot of things on my new template, and this is the old template. Sanchit, what is .com bubble? Many people talk about it and say it is the same will happen with AI bubble in forming. .com bubble is when everyone, like when internet came out and everyone, like every person was making small websites and they were getting funding and all. So the whole economy was bloated in a way. The funding was going on startups. Anyone with the .com was getting funding. Similarly, right now, what's happening with AI? Anyone who is working on any AI app or any AI related thing, investors are putting their money on it. So this is called as like bubble happening, like because nobody know what will work, and that's why it seems like it's a bubble because nobody knows what will work. And once they understood, okay, this is the limitation and this can be done and this can't be done, then the bubbles usually burst. That's what happened in the .com bubble. When everybody understood uh, that some things cannot scale, and then they understood, okay, what can scale and what cannot, and then the whole money flow went into one direction. So that's how like bubbles burst. This is what happened with bit crypto as well. Like crypto bubble was so huge at one point, everyone was getting funding on cryptos, but now hardly anyone talks about it because we understood what are the pros and cons. So once we are in this limbo stage, then the bubbles happen. Okay, there are so much talks. Hershey bars are good. Their website. Nope. I'm using Zedge. It's working very fast. Yeah, that is pretty cool browser. A cool editor. Abhishek, tell me one question. Sure, Abhishek. How would you answer how you are using AI in your day-to-day life as an iOS developer in an interview hiring manager round? To me, like I'm using AI on almost everything which I do, like from creating of assets to creating these apps, coding, day-to-day like project management tasks. Even like I was working on this onboarding screen on my AI transition app, and I thought, how can I make it much more engaging? I did not want it to make just a Q&A. So I gave this problem to ChatGPT and I said, let's brainstorm this. And we had like a 15-minute session of brainstorming where ChatGPT gave me some pretty cool ideas. And I picked the one which I like and implemented it on the onboarding. So yeah, this is how I use AI on my day-to-day life. Hey Abhinav, yo, welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? Sanchit, then you will get invest to 100 million. That's not how it works. Also, getting investment is not always a good thing. Like not everyone is made for investor money, and I'm pretty sure I'm not made for investor money, man. So when I quit my job, I had a friend who connected me with one investor, and he said like if you pitch them, they would be interested. And said I have seen how hard it can be, like to just please these investors, because they are putting their money. So it's worse than getting a job, to be honest. Sometimes for some people, not always. uh, Ash, what's going on? From for now, ChatGPT is free for all. Is it real? Oh yeah, ChatGPT is getting it free for Indians. The Go plan, which was already like I think $3.99 per month, it's becoming free for everyone. So let's check on onboarding. The start. We go to sample. Then tabs. In the tabs we have layout. Abhinav, I have been busy for past few days. I was busy building project for a hackathon. Oh wow, Abhinav, which hackathon are you taking part in? What is the project? Is it in crypto? Shum, guys, why is no one talking about Michael Burry? What is Michael Burry? I've been away from Twitter for a while now. I have not been exploring what's happening because I've been busy with a lot of other things. What's happening? He tweeted after 14 years. Okay. Hey Dev, any AI assist in VS Code other than Cursor that is different? I mean, currently there are so many AI assistant agentic models or agentic workflows. I really like Conductor build. I don't know about VS Code, but if you do not want to pay for Cursor, right? If you do not need this kind of workflow where you have agent working and work tree and all, I would highly recommend use conductor.build with Claude code. Install Claude code and add conductor build on your system and add your own custom provider here, because you do not want to pay for, you know, Claude's Anthropic model. It's expensive for you. So I would suggest go to moonshot.ai, get an API key. It's a Kimi K2 model, works so well. It's I think it's compared to what Claude 4 or Claude 3.7 was, which was already pretty good. So it can do everything for you at the fraction of cost. I have paid $10 like 2 months back. I haven't finished those $10 in 2 months, and I've been using it a lot. As you can see, there are already like 7 PRs here pending, and then I have like merged maybe 10 other PRs just using conductor build. I have I think I mentioned how I use conductor build in like third live stream, like maybe day before yesterday, so you can check that out. But this will be the cheapest thing you can do. And if you want to use it in VS Code, I think now Copilot is also really good. They are also giving all the models. Sanchit, your mother tongue. You're asking me? It's Hindi. Shubham, the part played by Christian Bale is Michael Burry in real life. Oh, okay. That was Michael Burry. Okay. Got it. So yeah, I have seen Big Short. I really like that app. That movie, sorry. That app. Varun, with $100 I can easily get 8 months, and from some providers I can get 1 year too. Okay, you are using Cursor. Cursor got new updates. Yes, Cursor got a Cursor 2.0 update. If you see yesterday's stream, like my yesterday's video, in the first 20 minutes, I have given the complete review of my own opinions on the new version. I'm really liking it. So many good features in this one. And I also like the Composer one. It's also cheap. I saw my dashboard. It's very cheap model. Very fast. Uh, uh, uh. And it's coming. Market gonna go down. Yeah, markets keep going up and down. It's what we can do. Cooking, shooking also make a comeback. Okay, this conversation, I don't know where it's going now. Let me just focus here a little bit, okay? So there is a create prompt screen which we need to show. But if we go to the tabs layout, there is a layout. In the layout section, we have also added a worklet here earlier. But why? I like this music. Why we have this animated view? But this was for auto aerials. Maybe I never removed it. This is what happens when you rewrite some logic on another app. So I think I never used this tab view, but I only used the home and project section. Goat. Hey, hello Goat. Welcome to the stream, man. संचित, please speak in Hindi. I will like to hear. क्या सुनना पसंद करेंगे आप संचित? Swarit, can I invest my kidneys in post handle? No, don't invest your kidneys. Only invest your kidney. Shivam, sometimes we see bubbles. Sometimes there is something to do about. Sometimes winning move is not to play. I will go for Cursor paid. How much? Like $30? Cursor, if you go for paid version, it's $20. But for me, $20 is never enough. Like I've never paid them $20 a month. I've always paid them more than 20 because you always go overcharged since they have upgraded their pricing strategy. So what I do is I play with like multiple models at the same time. Sometimes I use Cursor, sometimes I use Conductor, sometimes I use just these Goose CLI. So all the cheap models, and sometimes I use this ZenMux. So in Conductor you can also change from Kimi K2 to ZenMux and use any free model from there. So I'm using a mix of models depending on what the complexity of task is. Like even today when I was working on this onboarding screen, Composer sucked at it. Then I tried this which Haiku 4.5. This also was not doing the great job. Then I used Sonnet 4.5, and Sonnet 4.5 that's one-shotted everything, the whole screen. So yeah, sometimes you have to just keep using multiple models. Create prompt. So what I understood is that there is a create prompt option somewhere. Korangu. What's this agent? Which agent, Korangu? Which agent are you talking about? Blinken, I'm gonna share the video I watched earlier about the AI advances in China to the Discord. It was really cool. Yeah, do share, Blinken. I would like to take a look at it. Ash, that's good. What about Gemini code? I tried Gemini. I was using it earlier. I think they're about to release the Gemini 3 model soon, which they are teasing on Twitter sometimes, and people are like internal people are talking about it that it's the best, which they always do. Like every other model which is coming out is always the best. But my experience with Gemini 2.5 Pro was not that great. It is too verbose. Like it talks too much, but does not do that great job compared to, like, if I have to pick one based on its speed, price, and accuracy, it would be, for me, it would be like Claude models and Kimi K2. I always say a Kimi K2 because I really like Kimi K2, how good it is. Maybe it's really good for the tech stack I'm using, and the cost is like so cheap. 0 degree. Hey, 0 degree. How are you, man? What code editor? Oh, Korangu, this is Cursor. 0 degree. Today I subscribed the weekly plan of your app called Auto Reels. Today I generate 5 videos. Oh, are you spying on my app? Yeah, I haven't updated the app. Like there is a big update coming for Auto Reels. I have worked on a backend, so I'll be changing a lot of things in the app in this next month. Next month means like in November. Sanchit, I want equity on your app. Tell me the price, please. Under 10 rupees. Currently, there is no equity. Like it's not a money making app for now. Swarit, I want to make my own LLM. What should I do? Yeah. Start tweeting to Jensen, the founder of NVIDIA, so that he can give you some big shot graphic cards. Yeah, Gemini is yapper like me. Is 0 degree from Argentina? No, that 0 degree is talking about my old app, Auto Reels. I was talking about AI shot. Sanjit, I was using VPN. I saw an ad. Temu is giving free tap to Mexico. 0 degree, but on the paywall you are showing unlimited video. Hey 0 degree, I was just telling these guys that yeah, I have to update that paywall. I am showing unlimited, but it's limited to 10 videos. I don't know why you got stuck at 5. Did you get an error like you cannot create more than 5? Because I upgraded it to 10 because most of the active users were complaining that 5 is too less. And yeah, I'll have to change that paywall text. Swarit, he just gave me 550.90 now. Cool. Yeah, then create a new Sanchit Swarit LLM. Maybe it will be on Cursor soon. So guys, I'll have to leave early today because I have some other work pending. And to be honest, like I was not in a zone to work on this app because there's so much complexity on the old code. I'll have to sit with focus and migrate the whole code to the new template. But I'm pretty happy that that AI VFX app is almost done, and I'll be submitting it to App Store review tomorrow. Yeah, cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Tomorrow is what, Saturday, right? Yeah, tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh yeah, wait. Sam gave app of the day. Shit, I forgot to give it here. Sam's app of the day. Wait. So this is what Sam has shared. Awesome LLM apps. So it's a collection of a repo with all the LLM apps out there. This has almost 74,000 stars. So I mean, we should definitely be checking this repo out. advanced agents, then there is autonomous game playing agent. I'll be checking this out. I'll send this message to me on WhatsApp, and I will be okay. So I have a message from Sam already, so I'll be using it. Cool. Thank you, Sam, for sharing this. I'll take a look. It's really cool. Abhinav, Solana has officially stepped into Wall Street. Lol. Oh really? I have zero knowledge about what's happening in the crypto world. Cool. Okay, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, and